legally, technically, it's the bank's data. However, you don't make a lot of friends anywhere in the world by saying it's our data, not the customer's data. And what I've realized, one of the things I've realized about open banking is just saying it's the customer's data, they can do what they want. It unlocks a lot of doors because like you can't be on the other side of that going like, well, actually, technically it's not the customer's data, it's our data and we don't want them sharing it this way. And so I think a lot of the growth that's happened in open banking over the last, 10, 15 years in the US has really been built on this idea that banks don't really want to share the data. Technically, legally, it's their data, but the consumer under 1033, Dodd-Frank, has the right to share it. And no one wants to argue, not even the banks, that it's their data and not the customer's data. And so I would say rhetorically, it's the customer's data. And that really is all that matters at the end of the day because the customer wants it. The customer, your customer is telling you, I want to share it in order to get access to these other services. And we've even seen some emerging evidence that if a bank is too sort of rigorous in the way that they stop consumers from sharing their data, that the consumer will consider switching banks, right? And so it is a competitive risk to a degree if you're a bank that takes too hard a line on this. And so that's generally been how the market has evolved.